Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the repair bill to fix the schools that were damaged by Hurricane Beryl. Now the ministry has said the figure or the new figure to repair the schools is $3 billion, and they are trying to get the schools repaired before the opening of the school year, which is actually next week. Some schools go back on the 2nd and other schools go back throughout the week. But the school term is starting next week. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening and why the cost has gone up to 3 billion. The repair bill for the 362 schools damaged by Hurricane Beryl in July has exceeded $3 billion. Preliminary estimates to undertake repairs were priced at $2.7 billion. The disclosure was made by Minister of Education and Youth Honorable Favour Williams during the post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. Given that the number of schools assessed has increased, that figure would increase. More money will be required as we go through the school year. It is now over $3 billion, said Minister Williams. Of the 362 schools, 107 were severely damaged, 139 were classified as moderately damaged, while 116 received minor damage. Mrs. Williams said the ministry has a better assessment now than it did in the immediate aftermath of Hurricane Beryl and will need to tap into the supplementary budget. We have to present the case to the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, and on our side we have to be efficient with the funds that were allocated to us because it's an additional burden on the national budget as a result of the hurricane, Minister Williams said. She noted that the contractors are working in earnest to meet the September 2nd deadline. They are really pushing to ensure that they complete the work. Some of them have even put in double shifts. They've worked on weekends and they've worked well into the nights to get the schools up and ready for September 2nd. Will the schools be at 100%? Maybe not. But they are saying what's left to be done will not impact the opening of schools, the minister said. Alright guys, so we will keep you guys updated on the repairs to the schools. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.